Hey guys, today let's learn how to add a WhatsApp button on your Facebook page. So if you guys would like to go ahead and add a WhatsApp button on your Facebook page, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do that step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright guys, so this is gonna be pretty easy. All we need to do first is to launch the Facebook application, and I want you to proceed with going onto your preferred Facebook page. I've already done that, and switch to the Facebook page's profile over here. And what I'm gonna do next is to go ahead and tap on the profile on the Facebook page right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and tap on this three dots over here to view the page settings. Next I want to tap on Edit Action button, and I'm gonna go ahead and remove this action button right here. Next I'm gonna tap on Edit Buttons, and I want to go ahead and add this Send WhatsApp message. And that's how you guys can actually add a WhatsApp button over on your Facebook page. All we need to do from here is to connect our WhatsApp account, enter your WhatsApp phone number, and of course, select the code to do so. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is actually choosing my country code, and of course, we need to enter our phone numbers as well. Once you've tapped on send code, of course, we need you to go ahead and enter the code over on the section to confirm our WhatsApp account. And once that is already done, we can now go ahead and verify the code, and then we could add our WhatsApp to our Facebook page. So as of now, I don't really want to create any posts about our WhatsApp, so just tap on save, and it's automatically gonna be saved now. And that's how you could easily add a WhatsApp button on your Facebook page. Of course, this button is gonna be located on your Facebook page over on the section. And that's over this video. From watching, please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.